cats and kittens. Okay, I'm joking. I just binged Tiger King a couple days ago, and when I tell you it is a train wreck of epic proportions, if you guys have not watched the show on Netflix, go and watch it. Go now. It's like each episode gets more and more ridiculous than the last one. But anyway, that's not why I'm here. I'm here because I came up with a new idea for a journal, which I thought would be fun for anybody. Of course, everybody is pretty much doing the self-quarantine and social distancing. But I thought it would be fun for people and or their children. I, in regards to what's going on, have been seeing a whole lot of funny memes. And personally, I just like to look on the bright side of things, and think about all of the good things that could come out of this. And then also just to kind of laugh about it. I'm not saying it not to take things seriously, but it's also fun to try to keep things lighthearted so as not to push panic and fear and anxiety out into the world. So I decided, I've been seeing some of the funniest memes and lately in regards to what's going on and other things, just being people on the internet being funny. And I decided to make a little cute little meme journal. So you're going to see my process in making this and the memes that I picked out or whatever. And of course, it's not full. Whatever. So there actually are more memes now that I've seen online that I want to put in here. So you'll see my cover decoration. Overall, I'm really not that satisfied with the cover. So probably the next time you see this, it'll look different. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of another thing that you could do with your kids while you're in self-quarantine. If people are bored and need or want something to do. I mean, we're always on the internet. Everybody's always looking at and sharing memes. So why not collect your favorites in a little book? Kind of like a commonplace book, but not. Just a funny little meme book. So if you ever need a good laugh, you can just look through the pages of your meme book. Anyway, that is it for my intro. I will get to the decorating of the pages and cover, and I will see you all in the next one. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you're safe and healthy. And yeah, that's it. I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye. Okay, we're all done, so let's do a quick flip through of the memes that I chose. The first one is actually less of a meme and more of a quote that I saw that I liked, that kind of expresses how I'm feeling about everything. And it just says, stop trying to calm the storm, calm yourself, the storm will pass. And then next, I chose these. The first one, it says, introverts, it's finally our time. Hashtag cancel everything. Go home, read a book, the world is closed. And how do people stay in the house all day? Taurus, Scorpio, Capricorn, Aquarius, Aries, and Virgo. All my stuff is there, and I don't like people. And this one had me cracking it. Well, all of them did. When you find out your normal daily routine is called quarantine, because that's me. This is my daily routine. So this is the self-imposed quarantine, whatever. Yeah, that's my normal. So this is not a big deal for me. This is what I do every day. And this one is hilarious to me, and it's of course Claire Huxtable from the Cosby Show. Love that show. And it just says, "So y'all down there on Florida beaches having big fun." And if you know, if you watch the Cosby Show, you know what it's referring to, and you know why it's hilarious. It's one of my favorite episodes when Vanessa and her friends go to Baltimore to have big fun with the wretched, and Claire tears her a new one. It is hilarious. And I saw this one's really cute. Be like this little piggy, and it's pointing to the one that stays home. And then this one, finally, introverts experience a world that is suited for us. All events canceled. We don't even have to go through the trouble of flaking. No one is making random small talk or physical contact. Everybody minding their business. And then these are more like kind of inspirational type ones, or informational, I guess. Like this one, I like the same people that sell the panic sell the pill, and I believe that as well. The same people out here selling false information, or just really hyping people up to panic in the media, are the same people that's going to be selling you that anxiety pill or whatever pill that you think you're going to need to calm you down. So just beware of all of the media surrounding this that you consume and all of that kind of stuff, and just remember to center yourself and go inside and understand. Don't panic. I just don't want people to panic around this. Okay, I mean, of course, take precautions, be concerned, but don't panic. Okay. Anyway, I saw this on my friend's Facebook. Actually, it's a lady I'm related to, and I wanted to read it to you all. And it says, "And the people stayed home and read books and listened and rested and exercised and made art and played games and learned new ways of being and were still and listened more deeply. Some meditated, some prayed, some danced, some met their shadows, and the people began to think differently. And the people healed, and in the absence of people living in ignorant, dangerous, mindless, and heartless ways, the earth began to heal. And when the danger passed and the people joined together again, they grieved their losses and made new choices and dreamed new images and created new ways to live and heal the earth fully as they have been healed." And this is by Kitty O'Meara, and I really like that because getting tongue tied. I also believe that after this, some people are really looking at the situation as doom and gloom, but I expect the best. I feel like what's going on right now is really highlighting all of the things that is wrong with our system globally, and basically showing us everything that needs and has to be fixed for a more balanced world for everybody. Because if you think about it, it's not just us, it's not just them or whatever. We all need each other. So that's just my take on it. I really feel like there's going to be a whole lot of positive things that comes from what's going on in the world today. And then already I've heard about things of how like rivers and lakes and stuff like that is clearing up. The air is getting cleaner and clearer because there's less traffic and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, let's stop rambling about that. Another one says, "Worry is a misuse of the imagination." I really believe that. "Love is the ultimate reality. And whatever you want wants you even more than you want it." Love those. Love this. This was, had me cracking up because I just bought the Animal Crossing game and Zelda and the new Switch. And it says, "Y'all 10-year-olds better watch out. The OG gamers are logging on." And then this one, it's kind of hard to read. "The moment when you realize you're living a dystopian novel, but contrary to what you've read about, two guys are not in love with you." And this one, people about staying home with their kids. "I'm not one to talk trash, but my new coworkers suck. They keep asking for snacks. One asked me to make her lunch, and the other has done nothing but stream Boss Baby all day, booger eating, peeing with the door open, crying. Totally unproductive. These people should be fired." And this one had me cracking up. Things Black people take seriously. And it's just funny to me how memes and stuff can highlight how we are more alike than we are different. So this, I relate to a whole bunch of things on this list. And it says, "Our checks, knowing who all over there." And that's me, because I need to know who's going to be at the party before I decide I'm showing up. Who did the body, spades, who made the potato salad, mac and cheese. Okay, because I don't eat everybody's food. People when they take off running. Again, I have done this. I see somebody running, I'm running too. I don't ask no questions. I don't need to know why. I don't need to know anything. I just know I need to run. Let's see. Drinking, eating after people, splitting poles, not putting purses on the floor, Big Luther versus Skinny Luther, not cutting a baby's hair before 1, sitting facing the door, exit, not calling elders by their first names, sweeping near your table, being offered a bag after a purchase, speaking when you enter the room, street clothes on the bed, not responding to being called with what, and not eating the food at potlucks. Yeah, pretty much all of that. All of that. Anyway, that is all I have in here so far. But like I I said I will be keeping up with this because I have been coming across some of the funniest memes, and I already have some more that I want to stick in here. So yeah, I just thought this was a cute little fun idea, quick, that you could do with your kids or yourself, just to kind of keep you in a lighter mood. Something fun in light of everything that's going on. So yeah, if you have any comments or questions about anything, you can definitely leave those below. Thank you all for subscribing, like, and sharing. I appreciate each and every one of you guys at thebomb.com. So I just hope everyone is staying safe and healthy and happy, and you know, getting some things done while we're out here on self-quarantine, reading some books, making some art, all that kind of jazz. So I will catch you all in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.